an AMI digital exclusive.
By hook or by Cook. The Lodge. Hey, Bruce Cook here. Christian is always complaining about how hard the transfer from a wheelchair into my oversized vehicles is.
I don't know how many different set of wheeled things I've been in with you in such a short period of time.
Oh, this one's a Gator. She's a two-wheel drive little glorified golf cart.
So today, I got an undersized open-air excavator for him to transfer into.
So I generally get both of my feet up onto kind of the platform of the excavator and then find some good solid holds and hope for the best, really.
He will never take my Jeep's door frame for granted again.
Not gonna be pretty. I've got a lot of leg.
You do.
Yep. That's the sound you make. Okay, we'll get there. Just takes a moment. Every transfer is unique. You just gotta map it out because you can't really change course midway. And if this had any sort of bar, this would be breezy.
Swing in.
Yeah, it's the sideways thing here. Plus, there's a bar
Yeah, the Gator sidebar is now
firmly implanted in my skinny butt. I just don't know, Bruce. Can you back up like a few inches? Just let it roll back a little bit. Not too back, otherwise my leg will snap. Another inch or two we get. There we go.
Do you want to go up onto my cushion for a few more inches?
Yeah.
We might be able to get the top one. Okay.
Oh, that's better, yeah, because then I don't have
the bar,
Takes
too.
care of the bar, yeah. Teamwork. Oh, and this little pedal folds up. We're coming up roses
All
here.
the difference. Yeah. Well, this will be almost
This
too easy
is an
now.
accessible excavator. There we go. Nice.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot my phone.
Yeah, I'll back out.
Stream more AMI original content at ami.ca.